Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to change the skin color for any of your CC5 avatar, the Character Creator 5 avatar. I'm going to show you how to make this, how to lead to this step that you can change to any skin color. At the same time, you can change to any skin darkness. I'm going to show you all these step by step. Just start from beginning. So of course I'm going to close this and everything will just start from beginning. I don't save this. I just replace everything with the original 3D avatar, the CC5 avatar. Start from beginning. Alright, this is the original CC5 avatar. The first step, you need to double click it to make sure you already select it. Then go to the Material tab. From the Material tab, you need to look for 4 material. The first one is the standard skin head, the standard skin body, standard skin arm, and standard skin leg. 4 of these you need to select together. You click the first one, hold the shift, click the last one. So 4 of them will get selected together. Then scroll down until you can see the base color. You right click it, click adjust color. It will show the adjust color. You just need to drag the hue. The hue is a variable that you can drag it. You can see when I drag the hue, it changed the skin color to different color. It can be yellow, it can be green, it can be blue. You just need to drag it, and once you're done already, you just need to close it. It will automatically apply on all of the skins of the material that gets selected. It can be any color. For example, purple. That once done, I just need to close it. It already applied on all of this, the base color of the body skin. So once done already, you can just continue your 3D modeling pipeline or your character modeling pipeline in Character Creator 5, and that's all. That's all for today about my tutorials on how to change the skin color and the skin brightness just in a few seconds. Alright, the brightness, you can change it as well if you want. It can be dark, it can be bright. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.